What's going on? Nick Rehmani here, and welcome to today's video. We're diving into the exciting world of online marketing in 2024. Did you know that businesses with a strong online presence are expected to grow 40% faster this year? That's right. Imagine boosting your growth by nearly half just by mastering the art of effective marketing in 2024. Intrigued? Stick around, because we've got the secrets to help you achieve that explosive growth. Welcome to our channel where we unravel the secrets of powerful marketing for explosive growth in 2024. See, in a market that's more competitive than ever, staying ahead is crucial. Today, we're diving deep into the strategies that will not only keep you afloat, but propel you to the forefront of your industry. See, in a crowded marketplace filled with information overload, businesses face the daunting challenge of standing out and capturing audience attention. The digital landscape is evolving at lightning speed, and keeping up can feel like a race against time. But fear not, because we have the roadmap to navigate through this maze. Imagine trying to get your message across in a sea of millions. It's tough out there, but don't worry. There are innovative ways to break through the noise and make your brand the shining beacon in the storm. Let's explore some game-changing strategies that are making waves in 2024. First up, personalized marketing. Gone are the days of one-size-fits-all. Today, it's all about creating highly tailored experiences for your audience. Using advanced data analytics and AI, you can understand your customers like never before. Imagine sending a customer recommendation that feels like it was made just for them. That, my friends, is the magic of personalized marketing. Take Netflix and Amazon, for example. Their recommendation engines analyzes your viewing and shopping habits to suggest content and product that matches your preferences. This level of personalization not only boosts engagements, but also builds a loyal customer base. Next, influencer collaborations. Partnering with influencers isn't just about boosting visibility, it's about building trust. Influencers, especially micro-influencers, have dedicated followings that trust their recommendations. By aligning with influencers who share your brand's value, you can reach new audiences in an authentic way. Think about the power of a trusted voice advocating for your brand. It's like having a friend recommend your business to thousands of their friends. Companies like Glossier and Gymshark have harnessed the strategy to build strong, loyal communities. And let's not forget immersive brand experiences. With advancements in virtual and augmented reality, you can actually create experiences that engage customers in ways that were unimaginable a few years ago. Imagine a customer exploring your virtual store, trying out your products in a virtual environment, or attending a virtual event from the comfort of their own home. These immersive experiences aren't just cool tech gimmicks. They create lasting memories and deep emotional connections with your brand. Think about IKEA's Place app, which allows customers to visualize furniture in their own homes using AR. This not only enhances the shopping experience, but also boosts confidence in purchasing decisions. Here is the key insight. Authenticity and storytelling are the cornerstones of successful marketing in 2024. See, in an age of digital interactions, people crave genuine connections. They want to know the story behind the brand, the values it stands for, and the people who make it all happen. Building genuine connections with customers is the secret sauce to winning their hearts and loyalty. Share your brand's journey, your triumphs, your challenges, and most importantly, your vision. When customers see the real you, they're not just buying a product, they're joining a movement. Take a leaf out of the playbook of brands that have mastered the art of storytelling. From heartfelt campaigns to behind-the-scenes looks, Authenticity resonates. Patagonia, for instance, shares stories of environmental activism and sustainable practices, creating a deep bond with its environmentally conscious customers. See, authenticity is more than just a buzzword, it's a business imperative. Customers are increasingly discerning and can spot insincerity from a mile away. Brands that are transparent and genuine not only attract customers, but also foster trust and loyalty. So let's recap. Innovative marketing strategies are the driving force behind explosive growth in 2024. By embracing personalized marketing, influencer collaborations, immersive brand experiences, and authentic storytelling, businesses can leave a lasting mark on their audience. Personalizations makes your customers feel special. Influencer collaborations build trust and expand your reach. Immersive experiences create memorable interactions. And authenticity, it forges deep emotional connections that turn customers into loyal advocates. See, in 2024, standing out in the digital marketplace requires more than just a great product. It requires a holistic approach that combines data-driven insights, innovative technology, and genuine human connection. By leveraging these strategies, you can navigate the complexities of the modern market and achieve remarkable growth. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on navigating the dynamic world of marketing. Or if you would like to access my free digital and money-making resources, just go to freedomlifebusiness.com. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like for us to cover, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video. Always make it a wonderful day, and remember to always go for your dreams, no matter what they are. Bye for now.